Guys, pababa na tayo guys. Ayan. Ayan. Sinong nagsabi na hindi natin maabot yung finish line here? See? Pababa na tayo guys. Ayan. O, tingnan nyo guys. O. Pababa na kami guys. Ayan. Ayan. This is Cebu City. City of Cebu. We're here now. As we live in the Philippines and we live here at Cebu City. That's why we're here. We start to jog like 5 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, because that's the open of the Sisalex. And then that's time that we can start to jog here. So, what time is it now? So, 7:33. So, we have 2 hours. Yeah, to jog. So, look at guys. Kung sinong gustong pumunta dito sa Cebu, interested kayong mag-jog, punta kayo dito sa Sisalex. Yan, napaka-safe dito guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Napaka-safe talaga dito. Ganda talaga mag-jogging dito, mag-walking. Yeah, just to feel your body. You need to enjoy lang. We enjoy lang our, self guys. Like, we don't need to push to run a lot. Just like if you feel tired, you walk, and then if you want to run again, you can run. So look at guys. So as we can see the ship, right? So nice here guys. So if you want to come in the Philippines, so nice to stay here in the Philippines guys. Have a lot of tourist spot here.
Bye, Davy.
Sa pinaka nasa baba na tayo guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo dito guys. Ayan. So we're here now guys in the SM seaside na. Oh my God, so nice. Ah. So we're here na guys. Oh, it's too hot now. Very hot. Ah. I'm so happy that I reached the 8.9 kilometers. And we're gonna still walking. So we are in the New Star na guys. Ayan. Nandito na kami sa New Star. Ayan, papunta kami ng El Corso. Plan kasi namin yung doon kami kakain guys. Ayan, sa find kami ng what is the restaurant sa Pili. Yan, where we gonna eat guys. So guys, that's the New Star guys. Here in Cebu. It's located in Cebu. Yan. Yan yung New Star. So, punta kami ng El Corso guys. Yan. Guys, we are here now at El Corso. Yeah. Just to stop here. So my friends is in here. So I don't know where we gotta go. As the El Corso is there. Yan. Yan yung El Corso. But the street here, I don't know where we gotta go. Okay, I'll just follow to them.